Welcome to my review of the WEN 2250 watt inverter generator, model 56225i. Today we're going to use the WEN generator to power my 2004 Lance 845 light truck camper. Now, when I say power up my appliances, that doesn't mean I'm going to use the air conditioner, because that air conditioner is a 13,500 BTU unit that requires about 2,500 watts continuous power just to run it on low. So this generator is not rated to handle that type of load, and we're not gonna use that air conditioner because of that. However, we can run various other functions in the camper, and we're going to do that, and I'll show you. Let's get ready to start the unit. First of all, you want to make sure that everything is unplugged from it, that the carburetor mode is set to run and or choke. We're going to try run first. It should be, the eco mode should be set to the off position. The vent on the gas cap should be turned on, and finally you need to check your fuel, and we're running pretty low, but I think we have enough fuel for the test. So as we come to the side of the unit here, we're gonna take a yank on the pull rope and start it up. In this case, it started right up, no problems. We've got a nice bright green indicator on the LED there, the charge power LED. So without further ado, let's hook up the camper. And let's step inside, turn on some appliances. Okay, so the first appliance that we'll turn on will be the refrigerator, which will in fact pull about 400 watts because it is a solid state chilling unit that the refrigerator works on. And let's come over here and turn on the entertainment system. That should be another couple hundred watts. Well, how about that? We've got Ellen on. Anyway, we've got good clean sound coming out of there.
What happens in the bedroom that you have so many costumes?
And finally, let's turn the fan on. Although we can't run the air conditioner, we can certainly run the fan. And you might have been able to hear the generator tick up a notch outside, because just running the fan, we're adding several hundred more watts. There we are, it's wide open. Let's go out and check on the state of the generator. And the generator's coming right along. No problems, all the lamps are green. Now let's go, finally, let's turn on the the battery charger. And the way we do that is we pull that knob there, and you'll immediately hear the generator change notes momentarily, take care of that surge. And we're adding several hundred more watts to the load. Now, I've taken measurements in the past about what kind of load we're running right now, and it should be around 1100, 1200 watts. So we've still got maybe a 600 watt ceiling that we could run some other devices with. So it's doing a very good job. Alright, so now we're done with our testing, and we're going to shut the generator off. And the way we do that is we simply turn the dial to the off position. Now you'll notice it will continue to run, and the reason it is doing that is because it has actually turned off the fuel supply to the carburetor, and it's burning the remaining fuel that's inside that carburetor. And that's a good thing, because you don't want that fuel sitting around inside the carburetor to eventually solidify or turn into sludge, and then you've got a major problem. Trust me, I know, I've been there and done that. What you wind up having to do is either, if you're mechanically inclined, you can try to clean the carburetor yourself, or just replace the entire unit. And neither option is not much of a pleasurable experience, let me tell you. So while it's burning down that excess gas, let's just take a trip around the generator, and you'll notice it is louder in the back. That's because the exhaust exit right here makes it a little louder. And of course, the farther you get away from the exhaust port, the less noisy it is. And of course, we could set it on the ground like it's intended to be run, and that would make it even quieter yet. I'm still speaking in a normal conversational tone, and there it goes. It has completely burned the gas out of that carburetor. So, let's pick her back up. Let's talk briefly about the rest of the functions that are available on this front panel. As you can see, there's a manual shutoff switch where you can override this offsetting on the dial, and you can force the generator to turn itself off by just holding that switch down. Now that will not burn the fuel out of your carburetor, so you may or may not want to use that option. Of course, in the occasional overload, which can and will happen, you'll find the source of the overload, disconnect it, and then just hit the overload reset, and the machine or the generator will be ready to go once more. Standard 1 amp, 2.1 amp USB charge connections. Those are 5 volt. And here's a nice feature, the parallel connect terminals that you can use to connect to another generator and run and double the effective load that you're able to supply power for. WEN, in fact, sells a nice little kit that will connect to those terminals and allow you to do that. Well, thank you for joining me on my WEN 2250 gasoline generator review. That's it for me today. because I'm going to load up and take my generator and go camping. So see you later. Bye.